Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO Reno12 FS and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. First step to do it is opening settings application where we choose mobile network and there more settings, more settings, we choose data usage and there data usage limit. And there we can set data limits. First step, we can set when our sales start, maybe first day of each month. There we can set daily data usage limit. We must turn on it by switch on, and we can set it in custom number. Maybe we set 800 megabytes, but you can do it also in gigabytes if we need. And there we can set what happens when we use it. We get only alert, and we get alert, and our data will be turned off. After you set all, press done. And the last step, monthly data usage limit, turn on by switch, and there we can set it for maybe for 10 gigabytes. We set it. And there the same story, and there we can set data warming. When we used how many gigabytes we get warming, maybe 8.5 gigabytes we set. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.